Well, in our meetings with our partners, security partners, we generally have come to the conclusion that it is a fact that the adversary or the enemy has not stopped from sending men and material. A little while ago, we talked about the foreign terrorists. Obviously, when we are talking about it, we are talking about the Western neighbor. So, the camps are active, the launch pads are very much there, and the attempt, not only the attempt, successful attempts intermittently have resulted in infiltration, though in absolute and in relative terms, the situation has vastly improved, but nevertheless, there is infiltration and there are foreign terrorists inside the territory. We all have agreed between ourselves. Drone droppings is a challenge, it continues, and through it, smuggling of arms, ammunition, explosives, cash, narcotics, is something which continues to be a challenge. We have made progress in countering it. For example, in narcotics, one can give out details as to how we have really tried to reverse the cycle or the trend, but it would take quite a bit of effort for some more time to be able to really to give it to conclusively say that we have been able to really plug it for good. So, in a nutshell, I would say the enemy's intent are very much there, the capability certainly degraded, but the ability to occasionally rock the system and unsettle you is there, and that with time I think we should be able to bring it down further low to a level where we can't wish away the border, we can't wish away that we have a neighbor, we don't have control as to how things unfold in that part of the world. So these are beyond us, but what is within us is our own people, our own boundary, our own international border, our own ability to manage, to be able to make it as hard as possible for the enemy. And believe me, together with the army and with the agencies and with our paramilitary and CAPF partners, we are absolutely determined that we will make it extremely hard for the adversary to be able to succeed. The figures vary at any given point of time. It's like this actually. I think the situation across the border would be available to agencies, professional agencies who specialize in such subjects, but the incidental knowledge that we have is that they train them in the hinterland and then they bring them close to the border and then they launch them on the basis of suitability of terrain, weather and a host of other factors. At any given point of time, perhaps you would have about 60-70 persons in 5s and 6 in different places waiting for being pushed onto our side.
लोकसभा चुनाव के नतीजे 4 जून सुबह 7 बजे से देखिए चुनाव नतीजों से जुड़ी हर खबर सबसे पहले, सबसे सटीक केवल अमर उजाला पर, amarujala.com।